Hi, today we're talking about feedback tracker. And if you're receiving a lot of feedback from the customers, you can keep track of all the feedback with the help of this template. As you can see, this is a database where you're quickly prepared for the feedback received from the people. We have a rating section, we have feedback comments, we have also even if you need to follow back with the customer and all the things. You can also see we have a service required column where the customer is going to add all the things that they want to see in the feedback section. And if you scroll to the top, we have created a summarized view of the feedback, like the recent feedback that you have received is all visible over here. And if there are any feedbacks which are under low rating, so for the low rating, I have classified all the ratings below 4. So if anything is under that rating, you can see over here, and it has been classified under the different services that has been received by the customers. Then we have a view for follow up. So if you need to give any follow up for the customers, you can check out this particular view. And we have also filtered that under different services that has been visible over here. And then if we have classified the entire database as per the different services, we have checkup, we have consultation, we have therapy. So all the different feedbacks received under different classes are visible over here. So this is a quick way to track of all the feedback for the business. If you want to customize or play around with this template, you can definitely do that. It is all as per a requirement. Besides this, I also want to highlight about PDF output. This is a tool which helps you generate PDF documents in bulk. Like it uses Google document as a template, and it works with Google Sheet as well as Notion database, which acts as a source of the database. So you can create bulk PDF documents such as invoices utilizing a source of data. And you can watch this video which I've added at the bottom to understand more about this. And you can reach out to me at Notion for my use @gmail.com if you have any questions or queries for anything that you might need help with. Thank you.